Hey everyone, welcome back to All About AI Tech. If you're into AI as much as I am, you'll love today's video. We're diving into a full-on showdown between three of the most talked about AI chatbots out there: Meta AI, OpenAI's ChatGPT, and Google's Gemini. Stick around to find out which one truly reigns supreme. As most of you know, we're right in the middle of what feels like an AI arms race. Companies like Meta, OpenAI, and Google are pushing boundaries to create the best chatbot technology. You might have heard that ChatGPT started this craze by opening doors to generative AI. Since then, the competition has only intensified. First up, let's talk about something that's become a staple in professional environments: writing emails. I asked Meta AI, ChatGPT, and Google Gemini to draft an email requesting a project extension. All three nailed it. These bots generated well-written, professional emails that you can easily personalize. It's impressive, but hey, that was the simplest task. Let's move on to something a bit more complex. Next, I asked each chatbot for a chili recipe. While all three delivered accurate and delicious-sounding recipes, there was a clear difference in how they sourced their information. Meta AI and Google Gemini both provided sources and links to the original recipes. ChatGPT, not so much. This lack of sourcing might be risky for newbie cooks, as it raises questions about the safety and accuracy of the recipe. For our news summary test, I asked each bot for a bulleted list of today's headlines. They all handled it quickly, but there were differences in sourcing. Both Meta AI and ChatGPT linked directly to news outlets. On the other hand, Google Gemini mentioned news sites but didn't link to them. Not sourcing properly could lead to misinformation, so points off for Gemini here. When it comes to math, the real test involved two tricky problems, one algebraic and one geometric. Here's a surprise. While all three chatbots managed the algebra problem well, only Meta AI nailed the geometry problem completely. ChatGPT and Google Gemini struggled here, showing that math isn't their strongest suit yet. As for programming, I gave each bot a complex task: coding a 12 by 12 variant of tic-tac-toe in HTML and JavaScript. Meta AI and ChatGPT delivered complete, correct code effortlessly. Google's Gemini, however, substituted HTML for CSS, which really shouldn't happen. So if you're into coding, Meta AI and ChatGPT are your best bets. Lastly, I did a mock interview for a tech writer role. Each of the chatbots simulated the interview very differently but quite effectively. This feature can be a fantastic prep tool for your next big interview, no doubt about it. So, after all these tests, which AI chatbot came out on top? Drumroll please. It's Meta AI. This bot consistently delivered the best results across a range of tasks. ChatGPT comes in close, showing significant improvements from its older version. Unfortunately, Google Gemini is still lagging. But hey, there's always room for improvement. Thanks for sticking around to the end, guys. I'm always on a mission to make my content better and more engaging. I want to create a community where we can discuss and learn about AI together. So hit that subscribe button, leave a comment with your thoughts or suggestions, and let's continue this journey together. Your support means the world to me. Until next time, stay tech savvy.